Aww. Anong hanap? Ang aga namang gising yan. Hindi pa nga ako nakaligo.
Ah?
Ha? Good morning. Good morning. Ang nagising.
Ang aga gumising, hindi pa ako nakaligo. It's 8 o'clock.
Buster! Wait na tayo eh. Uy, nagsayaw-sayaw ka pa dyan. Tara na. Natatae ka pa dyan? Tatay ka pa? Tara na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Halika na. Tanya. Uy. Iwan na kita. Bye-bye. Hindi ka dyan, hindi ka dyan. Dito ka sa kabila. Come here na. Don't you?
What's food that's gonna eat?
Yeah, and eat.
What does food that she eat?
Today she eats noodles. Teacher said she eats noodles.
Wait, they
And then she's sleeping and then playing.
Does she learn?
Huh?
Does she also learn?
Oh yeah.
What did she learn today?
She's learning.
No.
Too.
No.
No. She's learning how to be independent. Makain siya.
Go.
Tama na.
You want to go on a walk?
Go, 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 go. Oh, ba't ba?
Then you want to go on a walk?
Bitawan mo yung tanya, Mak. Sus talaga naman, oh.
Thank you for watching.